Hi guys, welcome to You Girls of India. It's me Harsh. In this video I'm going to show you how to change a normal Instagram account into a professional account. So guys, let's go into the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change it to a business account and also a creator account. So guys, go on to your account details. We're going on to that. It takes time. We're going on to that. Click on the sidebar, given up. You can follow me on Instagram. My account's name is mharsh1234. Also, you can follow me on my channel's personal account, Youth of India. So guys, go on to settings. After going on to settings, click on professional account. When you click on professional account, they will ask you which you want, creator or business. Now first I'm going to show you how to create business. They will give you whatever you want. Click next. You should select your profession. So after you have clicked the next, you can go on forward. I am not showing that. Next, click creator. Clicking creator, click next. You should select your category and just selecting it like scientist symbol. So I am selecting scientist. You can display the profession, your category, or it's your wish, or you can disable it. So you should first select your category. Takes a time. So guys, I think you have understood how to change your normal Instagram account into a professional account. So guys, there are a lot of things given by the Instagram. I'm showing you a professional account. It's my Youth Girls of India. So we can do promotions on a professional account. I had given the category blogger as I'm doing YouTube. So we can do profession. We can do promotion of our posters in Facebook. If you click, we can just post instance. We can look who liked, who commented, who shared, who had seen. So guys, a lot of there. If you click on the bar, there are instances. You can look about your posters, your activity. There's a graph given about your activity. Everything you give your followers. I have 52 followers. That's so. Please follow me, my official account. So guys, I think you have understood how to change a normal Instagram account into a professional account. So guys, I think you understand. So please like, subscribe and share to most of the people. It's a big bye from the rest of India. Like, subscribe, share.